Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Just kidding, this is Electrolux's kitchen. This is not my kitchen.
After lunch, I took the opportunity to film some of the kitchen vignettes.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Just kidding, this is Electrolux's kitchen. This is not my kitchen.
And be a little goofy when no one was looking. I really do wish this first one was my kitchen, though. It was by far my favorite. This whole room was incredibly impressive. It's a meeting room with a long table in the center, surrounded by kitchen vignettes on 3 sides, and then where we had lunch was in a see-through glass-walled room along the 4th. This gorgeous artwork featuring the Electrolux logo is what greets you when you walk in one of the entrances. And we did, in fact, wind up taking Chef Adam's apron, which they covered in extra blackberry puree, to the washing machines, where they actually let me put the apron into the washer myself and run the machine with the stain soak option selected, which utilizes the Smart Boost pump to recirculate water and whatever detergent and stain treatment, if any, for an additional 20 minutes before the main wash cycle begins. Yeah, I'd say it works pretty well.